Hi everybody, so in today's video I'd like to share how to achieve or how to get colored monomer without actually mixing the color powder with the colored acrylic. It is your dampen dish, like so, your dampen dish, your acrylic powder, liquid. I'm using one from Supreme Nails, and then I'll be using my colored powders. These three colors, the purple, the blue, I don't know what color is a neon pink, orange, I don't know what color you call that color, but it's, if you can see clearly, I'm sure that you can, but yeah, let me open it to show you. This is what we're working with. It probably don't show up on camera, but you know, this is what we're working with. Alright, now we have the colors in. We're going to mix them. We're going to take a wooden stick and mix. Mix, 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 mix. We'll be using our crystal clear to judge these colors. So I'll put these aside because we'll be needing them. First, I'm going to do this. Put it in. That don't seem tint at all, right? Purple in. The blue now. Okay, that was the blue. We'll do the pink, or whatever this color wants to be. Come out very salmon. You guys want, you call it now, if you want see-through colored nails, this is the way. Add a little bit more of the purple. Oh shit, I'm making a lot of mess. first start off with the purple. You would have to dictate, you know, how much purple you want. You have to gauge it. So how intense. The first nail wasn't intense at all. Second application was, that means that, you know, if you want it any brighter than this, you must add more of the colored acrylic in it. Let's try the blue. If you want it more tense than how it actually is right now, you can go ahead and add more. I'm going to add a little bit more to them. I really hope you can see it. But yes, so those are the 3 colors. I think if you guys do find this video informative or whatever, please subscribe, like, share, comment, share it with a friend who you think can benefit from such a video. Thank you guys for watching.